In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the prompt optimizer, which is by triple10.com. Okay, so this is an AI tool that can help you turn simple prompts into effective AI instructions for any large language model. Okay, so you can access it by coming to triple10.com/tools/prompt optimizer, and you'll be brought in over here. So your prompt required, this is where you can just spell out what do you want the AI to do for you. So you can be as basic as possible, and then you can select the use case. What is it? Do you want it to go automatic, or you want to be specific? Is it a coding prompt, or a reasoning prompt, or a creative prompt, or a structured output? What do you want to achieve, and in what category does it fall? And then you can have advanced options, expected output. What do you expect the AI to do at the end of the day? So you can just describe it over here, and then once you say generate, it is going to help you to generate or compose a very optimized prompt that you can use for any large language model. So let's say I want to design a simple website using PHP, and then the specific instruction that I'm going to give is, so let's say this is what I expect. I want a simple website, educational, where I can host my courses. Okay, so I can just go ahead and say generate to this. All right, so you can see optimized prompt. Of course, you have to log in. Okay, so you design a simple educational website. So this is the optimized prompt. Okay, design a simple educational website using PHP where users can host and access online courses, provide a basic layout and functionality requirements, and include the following features: user registration, course catalog, and a payment gateway, outputting a detailed specification and technical requirement in a numbered list format. I think this is very okay. So you can copy this both in text, in JSON, and in CSV. You can download them in any format that you want. So you can just go ahead and download, and then you can go ahead and use it in that particular large language model that you want to use. You can just copy directly and just go ahead and use it. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.